ओम माया कल्पित मातृता मुखमृषा द्वैत प्रपंचाश्रयः सत्य ज्ञान सुखात्मक श्रुतिशिखो आखंडधी गोचरः मिथ्या बंध विधूननेन परमा नंदैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोज्झितः शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। भेद एंड भेदाभाव इज द टॉपिक। पेज 428। सर्वं सर्वस्माद् भिन्नम इति मद्वाक्यम अद्वैत वाक्य तद ज्ञान तद विषयाणाम तेभ्यो भेदम आदौ गृहीत्वा निर्बाधम सत सर्व भेदे पर्यवस्यति। पूर्व पक्षी's वाक्य that सर्वम सर्वस्माद् भिन्नम, this वाक्य what it will do, it has भेद with अद्वैत वाक्य नेह नानास्ति किंचन और एकमेवाद्वितीयम्। It's ज्ञानम तज्ज्ञानम, वाक्य ज्ञानम, and वाक्य's विषय ब्रह्म। वाक्य तज्ज्ञान तद विषयाणाम तेभ्यो भेदम आदौ गृहीत्वा सर्वम सर्वस्माद् भिन्नम, it will have भेद with all these three first. Then nirbadham sat, unobstructed by anything, everywhere it will create bheda. Sarva bhede paryavasyati. This statement of Purva Pakshi is nirastam. Why? Badhya badhakayor abhede. When badhya badhaka between them, and there is abheda, badhakatva abhavavat. Badhakatva abhava. Badhakatva, when badhya and badhaka, they become one, like fire and water. Between them there is badhya badhaka bhava. But if they are one, then they cannot cancel each other. Jnanam and ajnanam have badhya badhaka bhava. But if they become one, then they cannot negate each other. Means jnanam cannot remove ajnanam anymore. Badhakatva bhavat bhede api badhakatvam na syat. In this statement, that in abheda there is no badhakatva, but in bheda also there is no badhakatvam, in that there is hetu abhava. One. And there is purvakta doshacha. Hetu abhava, Purva Pakshi will not have any hetu to say that bhede api badhakatvam na syat, because in bheda badhakatvam is there. Badhya badhaka bhava is there in bheda. Badhya badhaka bhava is not there in abheda. And purvakta dosha is that Purva Pakshi said, sarvam sarvasmad bhinnam. So, if sarvam is sarvasmad bhinnam, sarvam will have to become swasmad bhinnam also, which is not possible. This we have already discussed. So he says purvakta dosha will also be there. Because of these hetus, Purva Pakshi statement is nirastam. Further, सर्वासत्वं सर्वमिथ्यात्वान् नातिरिच्यते, अतः सर्वम् असत् इति प्रत्यवस्थानम अनवकाशम। सर्वासत्वं सर्वमिथ्यात्वात् नातिरिच्यते. सर्वा असत्वम, asat with everything, is sarvasatvam. This is the argument that somebody may give. Just as for sarvam mithya we have anumanam. He says for sarvam asat also you can do anumanam because it is same. And you can use the asat shruti, nanu shrutya sarvasya mithyatvam va bodhyate, or that is further, before that. सर्वासत्वम सर्वमिथ्यात्वात् नातिरिच्यते. अतः सर्वम असत् इति प्रत्यवस्थानम अनवकाशम. सर्वम असत, this kind of pratyavasthanam, this actually Nyayamritakar has raised this. So he is explaining in Advait Siddhi Moolakara. If someone says asadevedam agra asit, this shruti is there, this shruti will prove sarvam asat. Everything is asat. And if you do anumanam, सर्वम व्यावहारिक प्रपंच और व्यावहारिक प्रपंचो असत ज्ञेयत्वात् शुक्तिरुजतवत्. So sarva asat, why can't we do this anumanam? So Siddhanti said sarva sattva and sarva mithyatva, there is not much difference. Because from Vedanta standpoint, when we are discussing Vivartavada, sarvam mithya. But when we discuss from Ajatavada standpoint, sarvam asat only. Now, Purvapakshi has another question. Nanu shrutya sarvasya mithyatvam va bodhyate brahma bhinnatvam va. You remember earlier we had seen one shloka which is from Brahadaranya Vartika. That in the 3 periods of time, avidya sahakaryena nasid asti bhavishyati. Avidya along with its karya, na asid, na asti, na bhavishyati. It was not there, it is not there, it will not be there. Which is what is known as asat. What is not there in all the 3 periods of time. So now Purvapakshi is asking, is ekameva dvitiyam shruti or sarvam khalvidam brahma shruti, does it say everything is mithya or everything is brahma? Nanu shrutya sarvasya mithyatvam va bodhyate brahma bhinnatvam va. Adye sarvam khalvidam brahma iti samanadikaranyam na syat. If you say everything is mithya, then sarvam khalvidam brahma, this samanadikaranyam will not happen. Because according to Purvapaksha, right now he understands samanadikaranyam only as mukhya samanadikaranyam or visheshan vishesha samanadikaranyam or adhyasa upasana samanadikaranyam. He doesn't understand bada samanadikaranyam, so that is why he has raised this objection. So Brahma and Sarvam Samanadhikaranyam according to him is not possible. Because Brahma is Satyam, Sarvam is Mithya. So Samanadhikaranya Abhava. Satya Anritayor Aikya Yogat. Between Satya and Anrita, Aikya is not possible. Dvitiya Vikalpa is
Brahma abhinnatvam.
Brahma Bhinnatvam. Idam Rajatam Gauroham Ityadi Brahmanam Pramatvam Syat. If everything is Brahma Abhinna, everything is Brahma, then everything is Prama. How? He gives example, Idam Rajatam. So Idam is Brahma, Rajatam is Brahma. Therefore, Idam Rajatam will become Brahma. Means Idam equals Rajatam. Even though it is Brahma, it will become Prama. Similarly, Gauroham is a Bhranti. But you will have to accept that Bhranti as Prama. So wherever actually there is Bheda, that Bheda will become Abheda. Because everything is not different from Brahma. And if Abheda Siddhi happens, then Bheda Grahaka Pramana will become Apramana. Between Idam and Rajatam, that Bheda Grahanam will become Apramanik. This is the problem. Atmani Dehadi Bhedasya Anrutat Vyavrittesha Bodhakanam Vedantanam Nedam Rajatam Ityadi Badhakasya cha Apramanyam Syat. Atmani Dehadi Bhedasya. In Atma, Dehadi Bheda, which is there. Dehadi Bhedasya Anrutat. Dehadi Bheda is Mithya in Atma, Anrutat. Vyavrittesha Bodhakanam. Those Vakya, Vedanta Vakya, which talk about Vyavritti of Deha. Means they negate Deha in Atma. Saparyagad Shukram, Akayam, or Adrishye, Anatmiya, Anirupte, Anilayane, etc. Vyavrittesha Bodhakanam, Vedantanam, Nedam Rajatam, Ityadi Badhakasya cha Apramanyam Syat. And such Badhaka Vakya, Nedam Rajatam, it is doing Badh of Rajatam in Idam. That Vakya will become Apramanya. Why? Because now I want to have everything having Abheda. So any Bheda Pratipadaka Vakya is Apramanya. Ghatak Jnane Naiva Tad Abhinna Brahma Tad Abheda Dehe Sarvasyapi Vastuto Jnatatvena Sarvajnam. Purvapakshi says, if everything is Abhinna with Brahma, Ghata is Abhinna with Brahma,
Yes.
Yes.
Ghata Jnanam
Abhinna.
will result in Brahma Jnana. Because Ghata is not different from Brahma. So you get Ghata Jnanam, you will have Brahma Jnanam. Brahma Jnanam, you will become Sarvagnya. So Ghata Jnanena eva Sarvagnya. Purvapakshi is saying, if you say everything is not different from Brahma, all you need is Ghata Jnanam to become Sarvagnya. Is it true or not? No.
No.
Yes? So Brahma Jnanena moksha should happen. See further. Ghata Jnanenaiva tad abhinna Brahma. Ghata abhinna Brahma. Tad abhedadehe. Not different from that is Sarvam. Sarvasyapi vastutaha jnatatvena. Vastutaha everything becomes known. Your Ghata equals Brahma equals Sarva. So Ghata Jnanena Sarva Jnanam. Jnatatvena Sarvajnam and Vedantanam Vayarthyam. Vedanta, what is the use of all this Vedanta? You can become Sarvajna just by knowing Ghata. And Sadhyo Moksha, you will have instant liberation. Also, Sukha Dukha, Bandha Moksha, Bheda Bheda, Dushana Bhushana, Jaya Parajaya, Bhranti Pramadehe api, Vastuto Bheda Bhavena, Sarva Sankarapatti. Between all these pairs of opposites, Vastutaha Bheda Bhav. Vastuta, there is no Bheda Bhavena. Sarva Sankarapatya. Sarva Sankarya will happen. Sankarapatya. Swakriya, Swanyaya, Swavachana Virodhascha Syuhu iti. Swakriya means, Swa means Siddhanti. Siddhanti is Kriya, Siddhanti is Yukti, Siddhanti is Vachana. Ukti. Ukti, Yukti and Kriti. They all will have Virodha. Because when Vedanti does Pratipadanam of Brahma, Vedanti uses all terms which are different from Brahma. We say Neha Nanasti Kinchana, but Neha has Na, E, Ha, Na, everything is different. So to do Abheda Pratipadanam, we are using Shabdas which has Bheda. We are using Yukti which has Bheda. We are having Kriya which has Bheda. In all of them there will be Virodha. Swakriya, Swanyaya, Swavachana, Virodhascha, Syuhu. Idi Chet, this is Purvapaksha. So some 4, 5, 6 points he gave. Is Sarvam Khalvidam Brahma or Ekam Eva Dvitiyam, are they showing everything is Brahma or everything is Sat, Mithya? If you say everything is Mithya, then so now Siddhanti has to give the answer. Siddhanti says, Adye, the first Vikalpa, Badhayam Samanadikaranya is there. Mridghataha idam rajatam ityadaviva upadanopadeya bhavenapi samanadikaranyo papattehe. Mridghataha idam rajatam, in all of them, upadana upadeya bhava is there. Mrittika is upadanam for ghata. Ghata is upadeya. This is parinami upadana. Between idam and rajatam, this is vivarta upadana. But upadana upadeya is there. Wherever there is upadana upadeya, samanadhikaranyam is possible. whether it is because of parinama or is it because of vivarta. Dvitiye vastuto bheda bhavepi. Now Dvitiya vikalpa is everything is Brahma. So Siddhanti says vastutah means paramarthatah bheda bhav is there. Bheda bhave api. Avidyaka bhedam adaya sarva vyavastha upapatte hai. Avidyaka bheda we accept. What is meant is, for a jnani, he understands paramarthatah everything is abhinna. But for prarabdha, that much amsha of avidya will show bheda. Not the reality of bheda. It will just show bheda. Pratiti will be there. Pramiti of bheda is not there. With that much pratiti, sarva vyavastha is possible. And because of that, swakriya, swavachana, swanyaya, there is no virodha. Avidyaka bheda we will accept and we will use all shabdas, all yukti, drishtanta, kriya, everything. Nacha bhedasyapi anadi bhedasyapi anavidyaka. Anavidyaka brahma bhinnatvena avidyakatva yoga iti vachyam. Bhedasyapi, see Brahma, in Rajju if we see Sarpa, that Sarpa is Avidyaka Sarpa or Anavidyaka Sarpa?
Avidyaka.
Avidyaka. But that Vyavaharik Rajju is Anavidyaka. In other words, the Adhishthanam is Anavidyaka. So here Bheda is Adhyastha in Brahma, which is Anavidyaka. Bhedasyapi Anavidyaka Brahma Abhinnatvena. Bheda is Adhyastha in Anavidyaka Brahma. What is Adhyastha is also not different from Adhishthanam, because you want to show everything is Abhinna. So Bhedasyapi Anavidyaka Brahma Abhinnatvena Avidyakatva ayoga. Bheda is because of avidya or absence of avidya.
Because of avidya.
Bheda is because of avidya. So Bheda is avidyaka. Bhedasya api anavidyaka Brahma. Brahma is anavidyaka. Brahma is anavidyaka. Bheda is avidyaka. Avidyaka Bheda and anavidyaka Brahma. Between them, if you say there is abheda, avidyaka Bheda, anavidyaka Brahma. Between Brahma and Bheda, if there is abheda, then between avidyaka and anavidyaka there is abheda. So Bhedasyapi anavidyaka Brahma bhinnatvena avidyakatva yoga iti nacha vachyam. Siddhanti says. Why? Because that avidyakatvam is because of avidya or not. Avidyakatvam is also because of avidya. if bhed is because of avidya, avidyakatva is also because of avidya. Avidyakatvasya api avidyakasya eva angikara. आविद्यकत्वस्य अपि आविद्यकस्य एव अंगीकार. आविद्यकत्व इज आविद्यक. आविद्यकत्वस्य अपि आविद्यकस्य एव अंगीकार. अथ आविद्यकत्वस्यापि ब्रह्म भिन्नत्वात्. Therefore आविद्यकत्वम is not different from Brahma. कथम आविद्यकत्वम? पूर्व पक्षी will ask this. If you say avidyakatvam is not different from Brahma, how it is avidyakatvam? Because Brahma is anavidyaka. Avidyakatva has to be different from Brahma. Siddhanti says tasmin api tasya kalpitatvat iti grahana. In Brahma, which is not different from avidyakatva, that avidyakatva is actually kalpita avidyakatva. Means avidyakatva is because of avidya. Avidyakatva is not paramarthika avidyakatva. Tasmin api tasya kalpitatva. Kalpita actually Siddhanti uses the word, but you should understand kalpita means avidyaka. So avidyakatvam is because of avidya. Then that avidyakatva in avidyakatva is because of another avidyakatva. Is also because of avidya. But avidya is anadi. So then you don't have to do anavastha. ननु मुक्तावाविद्यकस्यापि भेदस्य अभावेन आनन्दस्य दुःखाभिन्नत्वेन अपुरुषार्थत्वापातः. मुक्तौ आविद्यकस्यापि भेदस्य, भेद which is avidyaka in liberation at the time of jivan mukti, abhavena भेदस्य अभावेन, there is no bheda at the time of liberation. Vedasya bhavena anandasya dukkha bhinnatve. Ananda and dukkha will become one. So then apurusharthatva apatah. There is no purusharthatva anymore. tat tat asadharana swabhavasya tatra tatra abhave api तत्तद अभेदे पारिभाषिकोयम अभेदो भेदे पर्यवस्येत. पूर्व पक्षी saying between ananda and dukkha there is no bheda. If there is abheda, where is purushartha? तत्तद असाधारण स्वभावस्य तत्र तत्र अभावे. Each thing they have asadharana swabhava. If everything becomes abhinna with Brahma, they will lose their asadharana swabhava. Means whatever is unique in them, which separates them from others, what describes them as exquisite, it will lose that. तत्तद असाधारण स्वभावस्य तत्र तत्र अभावे अपि तत्तद भेदे पारिभाषिकोयम अभेदो. In each of that abheda, paribhashiko ayam abheda. Ayam abheda paribhashiko. Bhede paryavasyet. This abheda will culminate in bheda only. Purvapakshi, this is Purvapaksha. How? You can think of it this way. First of all, the Sukha and Dukha. Sukha is Anukula Vedaniya. Dukha is Pratikula Vedaniya. They both have their Vishesha. If you say Abheda is between Sukha, Dukha, Abheda is also between their definitions. Where is the non-difference between Anukulam Vedaniya and Pratikula Vedaniya? They both have to be different, Purvapakshi is saying. Second, at the time of moksha, if there is no Vishesha which distinguishes one from the other, that Purvapakshi uses the term asadharana. Asadharana swabhav. Nilo ghataha, pito ghataha. They have asadharana swabhav. They are unique. They distinguish each other from everything else and from each other also. So if that asadharana swabhav is not there, then the paribhashika abheda paribhashiko ayam abheda bhede paryavasyet. This abheda that you are talking about will actually culminate in bheda only. And if you say there is no bheda, then you cannot negate bheda because now bheda is not there. It will become aprasakta pratisheda that he gives. Asadharana rupena bhedam abhyupetya sadrupena bheda nishede api ishtapattihi aprasakta nishedasche cha iti. Asadharana rupena bhedam abhyupetya. Asadharana rupena, if you accept the bheda, sadrupena bheda nisheda. And sadrupena, if you say no, there is no bheda, then ishtapattihi one. And Siddhanti says that is what we accept. Aprasakta nisheda, aprasakta pratisheda. So let me just elaborate this a little bit. If everything is understood as Sat, so Satvena Abheda. But you have to remember, everything is Sat. According to Siddhanti, that Sat is Ekameva Advitya. Everything is Sat. According to Purvapakshi, he thinks everything has Satta. So that way he accepts. And Bheda is Sadharanataha Prapta. And Nisheda is at the level of Sat. At the Vyavaharik, you can just say, Purvapakshi will say, you are saying at the Vyavaharik level there is Bheda. At Paramarthik level there is Abheda. So, Vyavaharikena Bheda is there. Paramarthikena Bheda Nisheda you are doing. You should do Yadrupena Bheda Prapti Tadrupena Eva Tasya Nisheda. Asadharana Rupena Bhedam Abhyupetya. Sadrupena Bheda Nisheda. At the level of Asadharana means at the Samanya level or Vyavaharik level, you say there is Bheda. Bheda Nisheda is happening at Paramarthik level. That where the Bheda is experienced, there you have to do Bheda Nisheda. If you do something like this, it is Ishtapatti for us. But for you, Aprasakta Nisheda. What is not there, you are doing Nisheda. At paramārthik level, there is no bheda. You are saying at paramārthik level we will do bheda nisheda. Iti chet. Siddhanti will say na. एकस्याम एव ब्रह्म व्यक्तौ तत्तद असाधारण स्वभावानां कल्पितत्वेन असत्वात् सर्व कल्पना निषेध काले कल्पित धर्मावच्छिन्न भेदा भेदादि प्रसक्तेर अयोगात्. We will see this in the following session. Om पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.